Hello, this is Alex here. What do we have here? We have our GE, General Electric model number GE dash microwave model number GE dash MC471 TJK169. Okay, I'm gonna heat a microwave. I'm gonna heat microwave with this Rubbermaid tank long box. Open the top. See that coming off, which says Rubbermaid take along, but so let's open up the microwave door. So we're going to heat this little spaghetti. So yeah. So okay, so put it back in where it lines. Close the microwave door. Put it for 1 minute. There it goes, express. And let it cook. And you'll see the Trina Cricut Let Go software cook. Is it actually doing some Trina Let Go things? Is it actually doing some Jackie things? Is it actually doing some back Cricut settings and jack limits? Okay, 19. So let it cool off. 15, 14. When it goes back to 0, it's done. So 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Yep. His food is ready. Back jack. So let's open up. Yep, took a long back Cricut time to cook, but better than no back Cricut limits. But so hopefully someone take this use at it. So yeah, but I just want to show off this product. So that TR Cricut limit will be it. Bye.